Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, first of all I would like to thank to one of my subscribers who really took this commendable effort, and because his spouse is coming in after the new hotel quarantine rules go into effect, so he inquired with the hotels in Toronto, or you can say in Ontario, because only Toronto airport is allowed for international travel as of now in Ontario, Canada. So he has compiled the packages after speaking to the helpline of the hotel booking, and I'm sharing it here. So this has been done as of 20th February. Now point to be noted that the hotel list is not the final one. I mean, there could be hotels added later, there could be more packages, more options added. So this is dynamic, this can change anytime without any official notice to us, because they are the decision makers, right? And even the price, like as we see that price for any room in any hotel, prices always go up and down. So if this is the price today, tomorrow it could be more, it could be less. There are various factors that do not depend on us. So this is just to give you an idea. But when you go for the booking, when you are going to call on these numbers, then only you can find out exactly what is in your available options by then. All right. So thanks to him again. So as of 20, these are the two numbers that you can see on the site as well. One of them is like toll free within North America, and second, collect outside North America. So if you're traveling from India, try to use this number. Official Canada government link is here, and hours of operation they have specified, and even after this time you can call, but for emergency reasons, so try to call during this time. So 4 hotels he has listed where they are accepting the booking now. I think there are 5 now, but if I'm not wrong, one hotel has yet to start accept, but I'm not sure, because that information I got from one of my friends, but I'm not sure. And when you call, they are gonna tell you like if the hotel is currently accepting or not. They will tell you. So ALT Hotel, 4 Points Hotel, Holiday Inn, Sheraton Garden, and this is the price. Airport transportation, no hotel shuttle, take the link train. Hotel shuttle available at the airport terminal 3, take hotel train to hotel, take airport train to hotel. So with like trains that travel across terminals, you can use that itself. And room bed choice, no choice, hotel will allocate at check-in. We can choose between king bed and 2 single beds, no choice. So in these 2 hotels as of now there is no choice, they will allocate you for at the time of check-in, but again it can be changed later. We can choose between king bed and 2 single beds. Again, these things are always dynamic and based on the availability, and if some rooms, some facilities they have maintained as of now for standards, tomorrow they can expand more rooms into this package, so that will have impact on facilities as well as on the price. He has also included the links, so this is really good. He has noted down few points that we can find out. Okay, these prices are for a single person, will not be same for other provinces, of course. Also for 2 or more people, there should be packages that make it cheaper than 2 times per person. For example, Holiday Inn is 329 single person, but might be around 540 per couple. Okay, this is a really good piece of information. Like if a couple is traveling together, if you have seen in your ArriveCan app, it says that you can quarantine together. So same thing. Child charges may be about 150 per head per night. These are indicative. Yes, when you call that time also, that is the time you are going to be aware of the exact cost. Points to note while booking: call wait times are high now, everyone is calling. Just wait on hold with speakerphone, earphones, and stay near the phone. Yeah, because it's going to take time. Keep all details ready to make process easy once call is answered. Credit card details, travel details, date of birth, travel date, airport. Please call only when you are ready to book, of course, otherwise you will be wasting everyone's time, which is now restricted and limited. One more thing, like if you are calling from outside Canada, make sure like you have the credit card enabled for international transactions. Definitely, I mean by default they are, but if there is any hold or any restriction, speak to your bank or financial institution and get it removed first, so that your transaction goes smoothly. You don't want to get trapped in this. Additional information about hotel quarantine gathered from ArriveCan number. He has mentioned that as well. As of now, Government of Canada is bearing the charges for 2 COVID tests, one immediately on landing and the test and the test kit given for 14-day quarantine. You don't have to pay extra. This may change later, of course. No one can meet the travelers upon landing, on the way to, or during hotel quarantine. Okay. Relative friends can pick the travelers after they test negative and finish the hotel quarantine to take them to their location of quarantine. This question was asked by many subscribers. If the landing COVID test come back negative early, the traveler can leave the hotel quarantine even if they have not finished the 3 nights. Arrive can number is a yes. So this guy, whoever has compiled, has spoken to this number and has collected this information. Again, I thank him for this information, but at the same time, when I'm sharing it with you, I have no control and I have not verified this myself, so I take no responsibility if anything wrong comes out of it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this is gonna help a lot of people. Again, I summarize, like always, contact on the number and find out the packages then, because these packages facilities based on availability and other factors can change anytime. Hotels can change anytime, more can be added anytime, and it's not just for Ontario, for other provinces as well. Prices can fluctuate, facilities can fluctuate, all the things are possible. So always call and find out yourself when you have to book, and have all the details ready. Be ready and have some extra patience when you call, because most probably you are not gonna get through the line right away because of long waiting time. So thanks for watching, guys.